So to create a new page for your app, all you need to do is click on this plus button and then let's give it a name. We're going to create a quiz generator, so let's name it quiz generator. You see there are three types of page. So chat type is basically for chatbot, customer support, or any other type of chat interface application. And column with image essentially is the page with two columns, image on the right and UI on the left. It's good to build a form type application, so you can have a form on the left side and image on the right side. For this example, we're just going to start with blank page. Right after you created a page, you will see in the middle, so this is a canvas where we are going to build our user interface. If you hover onto this navigation, you will see app layout. So you can basically choose two types of layout here, navigation on the left or navigation on the top. So for this example, we're just going to keep navigation on the top. On the right side of the editor, you will see edit panel. So this is where you basically edit components, properties and styles. On the left side, you will see your page name and access to page settings. And the state variables is a place where you can basically store a temporary data for this particular page. So we're going to go through that in a later video. If you select the page tab here, so you'll be able to see a list of page that you created, and you can basically navigate between these pages. Cool. So the next thing we have to do is to add a UI component. In order to add a UI component, you will first need to create a container. So by simply just click on this add container, that will create a container, and the container has a column, and you can choose up to 6 columns for the container. In this case, let's start with 3 columns. So after you created the containers and selected the columns, then you can add UI components. So by just clicking on this plus button, you will be able to see a list of pre-built UI components for different purposes. So let's start with the heading. So we're just going to give this a name, quiz generator. And the quiz generator will have 2 inputs and 1 button. So we just built in like a form here. So in order to add a new component, all you need to do is hover onto the component and click on the plus button. And now you can add new component. Let's call this one name. And in order to design or customize the styles of the components, click on the components and go to the style tab here. And here you can customize a design. So let's center this text and let's make the width of this button full size. Cool. So now the form looks okay, but it just looks a little bit small. So what we need to do is to customize the width of the columns. So how we're going to do that is you can select any of these components within these columns and then hover onto this and then select column. And now it will select the columns of this component. Then you can basically customize the size of the column. Cool. So now it looks so much better. And yeah, so this is how you can create a page and add UI components into it.